Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video where we'll be comparing two amazing cameras from Sony. In the left half of the screen, we have the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, and on the right, we have the Sony Alpha 7R Versus. So let's dive right into it. Starting with the price, the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is priced at $798, making it a more budget-friendly option. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus comes with a price tag of $3,899, positioning it as a high-end and premium option. When it comes to image quality, both cameras perform exceptionally well. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 features a large 24.2 MP APS-C exmor CMOS sensor, delivering stunning detail and clarity. Meanwhile, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus boasts an impressive 61.0 MP full-frame back-illuminated exmor R CMOS sensor, taking image quality to a whole new level. In terms of video capabilities, both cameras impress. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 can shoot 4K movies oversampled from 6K, ensuring incredible sharpness and rich colors. Additionally, it features a product showcase setting that smoothly transitions focus from face to object, making it perfect for content creators. On the other hand, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus takes filmmaking to new heights with its outstanding 8K 24p 25p and 4K 60p 50p recording capabilities, allowing for professional quality videos. When it comes to performance, both cameras excel. The Sony Alpha ZV-E10 is equipped with a fast Bionic processor, ensuring speedy operations and smooth shooting experience. Similarly, the Sony Alpha 7R Versus features the advanced Bionic XR engine, boosting overall processing speed by up to 8 times, delivering exceptional performance in various shooting scenarios. That concludes our comparison between the Sony Alpha ZV-E10 and the Sony Alpha 7R Versus. Both cameras offer outstanding features and capabilities, catering to different needs and preferences. We hope this video helped you understand the key differences and make an informed decision. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.